She put cabbage leaves on her knee at night, see the results after a month. We all know that the foods we eat every day contain high amounts of healthy nutrients, and they can provide many different health benefits. Well, that's why we eat them, right? Some of these healthy foods have powerful healing properties when they are consumed. But some of these foods also have powerful healing properties when they are applied directly on your skin. Did you know that one of the best foods you can use topically is cabbage? Believe it or not, cabbage poultices are actually a common and effective home remedy. In this video we are going to show you 6 effective ways you can use cabbage internally and externally to heal your body in surprising ways. Internal uses. You just have to add cabbage in your favorite soup and steamed vegetables to get these amazing benefits. 1. Diabetes. First, you need to know that cabbage has powerful anti-hyperglycemic properties, which means that this super healthy vegetable has the ability to lower blood sugar and manage diabetes. These benefits can be obtained by eating a bit of raw or boiled cabbage at every meal or drinking cabbage juice twice a day. 2. Heart disease. You should also know that this healthy vegetable contains high amounts of theophylline, a water-soluble polyphenol that reduces inflammation and enhances capillary strength and permeability, and to inhibit platelet formation and enhance nitric oxide no release. In doing so, cabbage actually prevents heart disease and heart attack. This is why you should consume at least 2 tablespoons of cooked cabbage or 1 glass of cabbage juice daily. 3. Digestive issues. Cabbage contains high amounts of potassium, which balances your body's fluids. Cabbage also contains high amounts of vitamin C and other antioxidants, which are very useful in protecting your cells from toxins. Cabbage also contains vitamin C and K, sulfur, beta-carotene, potassium, magnesium, calcium, etc. The medical experts claim that consuming cooked or juiced cabbage can help heal constipation, stomach ulcers and diarrhea. On the other hand, fermented cabbage prepared in sauerkraut and kimchi can be used to heal irritable bowel syndrome, inflammatory bowel disease (IBD) and infectious diarrhea. Topical uses. Well, this may sound weird, but it's true. Applying cabbage to your wounds will actually help them heal. Here's what you need to know. 4. Ingrown toenails. Many people around the world use cabbage to make homemade natural remedies to remove pus from ingrown toenails and prevent infection. You just have to apply several cabbage leaves around a toe and secure with cling wrap and a cloth bandage. Then, you need to cover with a sock and leave overnight to give it a chance to act. Remove the leaves in the morning and repeat the process overnight. Follow up with an Epsom salt soak in the morning. You should also know that it's a good idea to slightly shave the top of your toenail to make it more flat. This will encourage the side of your nail to curl upwards, drawing the nail out of your skin. 5. Relieves pain. Red cabbage is loaded with antioxidants and other anti-inflammatory compounds. These compounds work together to lower oxidative stress and prevent the expression of several inflammatory factors. Applied to the skin, cabbage can actually promote wound healing. Here's what you need to do. You just have to wash and dry your cabbage leaves, secure in place with a bandage and leave overnight. If possible, remove the compress in the morning and make a new one to wear during the day. 6. Arthritis. Did you know that cabbage leaves were used for centuries for swelling, ulcers, sprains, and strains? Well, yes, and even in our modern age, some Swiss hospitals wrap the joints of their arthritis patients in cabbage to reduce swelling and pain. If you want to make a poultice, you just have to remove the vein of your leaves, lay them flat between 2 sheets of plastic wrap, and get their juice flowing by rolling them with a rolling pin. Next, place the leaves directly on your skin, cover with plastic wrap and secure with a cloth bandage. We really hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.